Well, in this tutorial we're going to show how the data is treated. The data is composed by different points, as you can see here. We have one point here, one point there, and in each point we have the X value that is going to be the tick sent by the server. Then we have the open value, the close value, the minimum value, and the max value. So in fact, if you go to the chart, and if you go over a marker, you will see how we have an upper value that is this one here on top, and a lower value that is that one on the bottom. So that is managed using the XML file and importing those values into Unity. So that is achieved using the read XML data line, in which you have to go to the public parse file function. In this one, what we are creating is a dictionary of words in which we read from the XML file these values of X, YO, YC, YM, upper M. And with those values we create the different elements that we need in order to generate the plot or the chart. So in order to generate the chart, you have to go to plot chart. Plot chart is easy to understand. First of all, what we do is obtain the values that we need in order to create the different rectangles, because we are using rectangular images. Then we create horizontal lines. The horizontal lines are the ones that are in gray here, okay? And each of these stock values of the market are obtained using two rectangles. So the first rectangle is using, as you can see here, the different number of points that we read from the XML file, and it's called the GoMaxMin because it's a game object, okay? So the GoMaxMin, it's between different size delta values, which are obtained from the direction, that is a vector or vector 3, vector set, that is obtained from the values of the maximum and the minimum y values that are sent by the XML file. And something similar is done with the go open close, which is the small rectangle inside the bigger rectangle. So if you check this here and you make a zoom, you will see the difference, okay? So we have the small rectangle here inside the big rectangle that has smaller width, and this one here is the bigger one is between the maximum and the minimum values of the stock market, and the smaller rectangle, it's between the open and the closed values of the stock market. So that's how it's done. And finally, the overline is going to change the value of the position of this line here, okay, when we are on top of a marker, and whenever we change to a different marker, it's going to change the position of the line. This is just in order to get the values from a specific marker. Okay, so this is all regarding the scripts. Thanks for watching. Please check our first tutorial in order to check how the main dynamics of the package work, and check the third tutorial in which we're going to show how to create your own data for your stock market.